For today, we have my client, Jillian. Jillian's concern is her hyperpigmentation from acne scars. She has combination skin with an oily T-zone. For her makeup look, we're going to create a soft, natural look. We will make her skin smooth and flawless with both foundation and airbrush makeup. Client has beautiful large eyes that we will enhance. For her hairstyling, I'm going to do a wavy high ponytail and add extensions and padding for height and fullness. So here's the final look. We took about 2 hours and the makeup will last her all day. She loves it, we love it, and she's ready to go.